We demand our salary. We demand our salary. We demand our salary.
NONGTREI ke MeECL hapoh ke lama jong ke MeECL Employees Union hynne ke afndu tarik naiwieng ke pynlong ya ke jingiakhih da ke bara lama iong kynthup lang ya ke jingthoh bapher ha headquarter ke jongki ha Lumjingshai bat ha SESU IGP PYRSHAH ke secretariat office ban pynpaw ya ke jingpyrshah ya ke SORKAR PDENG halor ke JINGTHMU ban privatize ne pyniaid no ya ke tnat bording jong kari ha riew shimet. Habekran baglap thai khubor presiden ke MeECL Engineer Association uba PK Shulet ulong magani ke jingiakhih kalong ban pynpaw ya ke jingpyrshah ya ke SORKAR PDENG halor ke JINGTHMU ke SORKAR PDENG ban privatize ya baro ki power sector hakari
lada ki privatize ya kan MeECL ka jingdu nong ka bakraw kan long hiu pa iba namar ke bording kan kiyo namar katkum kini ka kendon bakala temu central government kan ai nom duna ya ka khat san khat 2% ka profit chigini ki private companies kumnu ru kan long te kata ka profit kan hable ka tarif kan hable ka tarif kamut kan supai ba te ka dor jong ka light hi lani ka ngin ong ka bill light hi kan sakyo.
There will be total shutdown of power. There will be total shutdown of power in the state. This time we are going to take a drastic action. We have been compelled for the last 10 years. We have shut our mouth. But now we are not going to allow. Our pensioners are being victimized. They have left us. They have expired. For the last 3 years, their dues has not been paid. We cannot be anymore as silent spectators. The government should immediately release the 840 crores terminal benefits, including the actual valuation, failing which we are going to intensify our agitation. There should be no loan taken by MeECL which are unwanted. There are components which are unwanted. They have taken loan just to fulfill the corporate house, and few politicians we have the right. We are speaking of our rights. This is the time where we should stand united.
Lending our support to the national movement, we would also like to display our resentment to the discouraging, demotivating, and unproductive approach that has been adopted by the management, amply clear from these few months, with matters relating to late disbursement of our salary. For this month, we have not got our salary. No TA, no DA, no reimbursement of medical allowances has been done for the last 1 year. Officers and staff in the field have to shell money from their own pockets to perform the duty. We are also appalled by the fact that our contractual staff have not been regularized for so many years. To me, this is disparity at its worst and quite inhuman too. When I'm taking a hefty salary at the end of the month, it pains me to think that my casual staff, without whom my work cannot be accomplished, or without whom the interest of the corporation cannot be propagated further, he is taking a bigger amount home. He requires the same kind of treatment that we get too.